Oh.
Nice.
Lost the bet on Sunday.
Leave it, leave it.
Yeah, I mentioned I hadn't seen the Joker move, but I heard that's not very good.
Hot feet.
Yeah. When I heard it, yeah, the reviews like weren't so hot, so it's like. I'm watching King of Tulsa though. Yeah.
That's foul. That's fuck.
It's even more fun just because old side stuff and like, you know, old man kind of getting up and stuff, but season 2's dragging a little bit. Yeah, he can. He did all the Yellowstone shit, right? Yeah, he did all the Yellowstone. Oh, yeah.
Damn, they're out to get you, boy.
You got a big one, there? All right, go, Justin. You saw it, let's go.
Whoa! That's like 4 feet.
No, it was over his head. Did you?
Wasn't even over my head, and I'm 5. We can go at this all day. Back. 3-2.
All right, Kev. Find a hole. There you go. Nice riff.
Hey, let's go, Joe. Right through.
Have some fun, kid. Got a boy.
Yes. Out. Wait. Yes.
Go.
Nice. That works, Joe. That works.
Let's go, man. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Hey, two down, Mark. I need you on base. Hey, who's on deck? Hey. I need you on base, kid. I need you on base. Some way, somehow.
Hey, Mark, you got. Hey, let's go, Eddie.
Now, bounce Sonny out of the kid.
Right out, that out. Got 2 down. Yeah.
Two, I think, so far.
Yeah. That's what I got.
Okay.
Hey, wait for yours to stay hot. Wait for yours, stay hot. Wait for yours, stay hot. I know you want it. You're going to get it too. Everything coming to you. Just hold yours. Wait for it.
22.
Hey, come on, keep going, baby. Keep going. Come on, baby.
2 out.
Go on, Blue.
Who won?
Nobody there, you're all right.
One.
Right now.
Great.
Hey, let's go, Kurt, right through.
Oh, Jason.
Right now.
Hey, 5 bucks.
Second, I'm like, no. That's it. Take your time. That's it. Five. Oh, yeah.
Can you count? You shit. We just run.
You're fine, right?
You're fine.
Hey, keep it like that all the time.
So if it bounces over or goes over the fly, right? Why? That's an out. But if it bounces over or goes under, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Well, oh, did you see that hole that I hit?
No, I figured you hit the.
It's like a 4-inch fucking hole with the utility thing in there.
Oh, it's called down.
Why? Sorry, that was your job. Sorry. I had a temptation.
Switch that?
It was a little inside. I was just
Mark!
was like, watch home, watch home, watch home.
Got one down. Hey, Pop.
Oh my God.
No, I have a racist asshole on my team.
Time.
One out.
We got one down, one down.
Yes, go. You're better than your sibling.
Throw it in.
Time.
Right, Bob. Woo!
One out, two in.
Team went out.
Two one.
Nobody hurt. Go. Force that in his bag.
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Time.
We're on the board.
Got 5 on 2. 5 on 2.
Went out, went out. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Time. 5 on 3. One down. You good? Okay, ball's in.
Lefty!
Hey, have some fun. I need you on base, kid. I need you on base.
Yeah, wait till your pitch, baby. Wait till your pitch. Hey, y'all want me to get you?
Go do it after.
Right behind.
Yeah, I back what she said.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't see the car. I got the mix. It's the whole way. I'm sorry. So, hey, look, I'm focused on winning. That's all I got. Okay, I got it all. I'd rather watch it. Go!
Time. Go out.
Hey, you got nobody. Way to get on. Way to get across. Way to school.
It has the speaker next to it on the right. It's making it A's and a circle. Ooh, colors changing.
Come on, get on your horse. Get on your horse. All the way. Go!
Oh no, you're like, hold on.
Okay, that makes a little more sense.
Yeah.
Where? Oh, that's it?
Right.
Come on, Justin, stay hot, baby, stay hot.
That's next to the speaker with all the nice lights.
You don't want that, you don't want that, you don't want that.
Yeah!
Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait,
Let's
is
go.
5-1 ready? 1?
Let's go. Wait, what do you mean?
5-1-2?
What do you mean? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, I've got 5-1.
Thank you. 5-1-2.
Let's go. Hey, let me play. He needs that back. He needs that shit back. I like that shit.
2-1.
Check all the other activities it takes to get to that level of energy.
3-1.
You had a 10 when it's that's good.
Infield fly.
It's okay. It's okay.
Batter's out.
Got one down.
You pick me up. Yeah, yeah.
All right, Pop.
Hey, Mark, get it to daddy. Come on, buddy. Daddy. Keep working on it. Hit it to dad,
One.
Five's on 3.
Let's go, Eddie.
Hey, who's on deck? Hey, Chuck, who's on deck?
Lefty, lefty, shit.
Let's go, Eddie. 3 minutes. One out.
Ground ball looking home.
Hey, wait to the back.
Yeah. Okay, we've got an open inning, open inning.
Sweet. That's what was holding us back.
Coming in for somebody?
Coming in, but I don't know if I'm coming in for somebody. Just for defensive alignment. No.
Hey, Albert, who's he coming in for?
You gotta play next. You can't come in like that. Next game.
Sorry, Wendy. I thought he could just work it in for me.
No, only if he's in the batting order.
There's a lot of motherfuckers right there. With a little bit of space.
Oh.
We got one down.
And then the ball went through it, and then the animal just
2-1.
Close.
Dismissed.
Oh!
one player in the end.
Give me to you, okay? What down? Up! Call it, call it. Nobody.
Out. Two down.
That's two.
The helmet. Don't do you any good. Ah, okay.
Eat it.
Time.
All right, time out, Wendy.
I know.
Watch hope.
Time. Time. Two down, three in. Got top five open.
Hey, two down.
2-1. Got three in. Okay, now bottom five open.
Lead on, baby. I need you on.
Okay, ball's in. Go. Wow.
Hey, man, you need a hug.
Hey, that was good. That was so good.
Yeah, I bet. Aggressive. Have some fun, baby. Woo.
All the way to walking.
I don't think he was a pitch to you.
Hey, Phil. Let's go, baby. Hey, who's got the Phil? Let's go.
Pick me up, kid. Pick me up. Come on. Come on.
Hey.
You know what my favorite part of the game is?
2-1.
The game ends. Wow.
Three one.
Hey man, I need you on base. Fuck that fake sweet shit. Who's on?
Got it. Got it, Dad. You got it.
Brother,
Missed it again.
Come on, we got to hit, baby. It was our good. Hey. Hey. Whoever going the fuck out there needs to take off the shit. That's all I fucking know.
Hey, whoever the fuck's going out there does not have to catch all that shit.
That's all I know.
Good call.
What is opening?
Let's go, Pop. Go, Pop.
Here we go.
go. Great.
Nice.
We've gone down quickly, but not
Slow.
prom night, 1 minute.
This one's gotta be.
You know what? You gotta eat dinner, bro. Mom's made stew. Some stew. Oh, what's the meatloaf?
Nice hit, Brian.
I don't know how he hits those things. Yeah.
Here we go. Hey, turn the pair, right here, right now.
Let's go, Pops. Let's get it.
Turn it!
Do it.
Yeah, for sure. I would have been hella mad. Hey, you guys had clearly out the mom had to come back to all the snap. Since somebody does that, you crack a beer up here? Hell yeah. Always. Goddamn shit with the stars.
to. Two down, two down. Foul, out of play.
Are you sure?
Yes. He caught it, it's still out of play.
Can he catch it on the grass?
You can catch it on the grass,
But what's it? Not the path.
not the path. You can catch it on the grass if it goes to the path and it's
I mean, that boy.
Gotta be, it's gotta be.
I've got E2. I've got the challenge. Ball game, close, ball game.
No, I can't hear.
Well, think about what someone catching a ball sounds like.
Right spot, right? That's crazy to see.
A little more. There it is.
Oh my. Chargers lost today.
Outside. Go out. You're right outside there.
Oh yeah, that fan was going harder than
There it is.
Coaches!
Hey, try down three, don't get. Se puede, mano.
Hey, you need a coach? Yeah, you need a coach.
Go left. Go, pitch we go. Yeah. My bad. My bad. My bad.
You guys want to take the field up? Yeah.
One more. Yeah, do it outside.
How you doing? Yes, go ahead, sorry. No, you guys in the field, right? Yep. Okay.
I'm just hanging out.
Okay.
I'm just hanging out.
I got you.
Yeah, we deep, so. Trying to get used to these lights. These lights are
Yeah, they are. Anything else there?